In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Thanks for the Memories by Fall Out Boy off of their album Infinity on High. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Fall Out Boy was your favorite emo band, and let's dive in. This song's gonna be in drop D tuning, so make sure you tune your low E string down to a D. The intro and the start of the first verse is going to be a lot of string instruments, and then halfway through the first verse, this guitar part will come in. So we'll play this. All we're doing there is just picking single notes, 15, 16, 15, 13 on the fourth string. So we're playing eighth notes, we're palm muting with the right hand, and we're playing 2 eighth notes per fret. So 2 on 15, 2 on 16, 2 on 15, 2 on 13, and then just repeat. And then the last time we hit 15 5 times. From here we kick right into the first chorus. And the first chorus goes like this. So those are all drop D power chords starting on the 8th fret. So the drop D power chord, you're just barring the 8th fret here on the 6th, 5th, and 4th strings. We're playing straight 8th notes with the right hand, letting the notes ring out. Okay, 1 bar there, down to 4. 1 bar there, down to 1. 1 bar there, back up to 4 for a half a bar. Then we come up to 7th fret, 6th string, 8th fret, 5th string, half a bar there, and then repeat, down to 4. Now here, instead of going down to 1, we'll come up to 6 and play 2 bars there. So all together we have this. That'll repeat. Coming out of that chorus, we'll play this. And then we go into the second verse. So all we're doing there is we're playing a power chord on the 8th fret 1 time, and then we're palm muting just the root note. So just the 8th fret of the 6th string, straight 8th notes there. And every time we accent, we play the full power chord and let it ring out. Now the accent comes 2 bars and then on the second beat of the third bar. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2. Chord 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then on the 1, on that downbeat, entering the second verse. If that's confusing, just listen to the record for the accents. Now at this point, we're into the second verse, and we'll be playing this. So let's break that down. We're starting on the 8th fret, drop D power chord, 1 accent, and then into 8th notes of just the root, so just the 8th fret of the 6th string. Then we go to this chord, which is 7th fret 6th string, 8th fret 5th string, 1 accent, and then just the root. Okay, and then we go right down to the 3rd fret of the 6th string. No accent there, just right into the palm muting. Then we go down to 1, and we'll play a drop D power chord here, accent it. Then we come up to 4th fret 5th string, no accent. Then back to this 7th fret 6th string, 8th fret 5th string chord, accent, and then palm mute. And then repeat. Halfway through that verse, the second guitar will come in with the intro part. So it'll come in with this. Exact same thing we played in the intro. And don't forget the last time. Play 5 hits on 15. And then we're into the second chorus, the same as the first. Now at this point we enter the bridge, and the bridge is going to be played on an acoustic guitar, but we can use a clean electric, and it's going to sound something like this. Okay, and that'll repeat twice. The chords we're using here, this is a B minor shape, so we have 1st fret 5th string, 3rd fret 4th string, 3rd fret 3rd string, 2nd fret 2nd string. Okay, again, just 8th notes with the right hand. Then we move to this, which is basically an F chord with an open A in the root. So we have an open 5th string, 3rd fret 4th string, 2nd fret 3rd string, 1st fret 2nd string. Then we come up to that same minor shape, but now on the 6th fret of the 5th string. So that's 6th fret, 5th string, 8th fret, 4th string, 8th fret, 3rd string, 7th fret, 2nd string. And then we play this. So what that is 4th fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 4th string, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, and then just slide that exact shape down 1 fret each finger. Okay, so all together slow, we have After a few bars, you'll hear this guitar part come in. This is sort of a tremolo picking part that sounds like this. Okay, so that's all it is just tremolo picking, single notes on the 1st string, 13th fret, 11th fret, 9th fret, 8th fret, then 6, 8, 9, 11, 13. And from there, the distortion kicks back on. We go down to the 3rd fret, drop D power chord. So we accent the first note, and then we palm mute, and then crescendo. And then we enter into this vocal only chorus. So all we'll do there is just on the first note of the chorus, we'll hit the first note here, which is again the 8th fret, drop D power chord, slide down. Okay, and then this is just a vocal only chorus. Second time through, we'll do the same thing. And then finally, we kick into the last chorus, which is played just like the others. Was Infinity on High the best Fall Out Boy album? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.